Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how we can extract a day, a month and a year from any date. Let's see friends. First of all, we will start with extracting a day from a date. But before that, someone suggests me, sir, can we use a left formula? Let's start the left formula is equal to left bracket. I will select the text from which I want to extract the character. I will type 2 because I want to extract CA from the name. Just I will type enter. Oh, the answer is coming. Okay. We will try the same formula in date. LEFT. Just I will select the date. I will type comma 2 because I want two letters from left side. You will see the answer will not come in the correct way. So I will just delete it. Now we have to apply formula of text. T-E-X-T. Let's start friends. Now I will select the date. Yes. Then I will do comma. Now I will do into inverted comma and I will type DD. I will just complete the into inverted comma. I will close the bracket and I will press DD. Oh, the answer is coming. Now say for example if you want what is the date means day today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, can you do that? Yes, is equal to text just bracket, select the date, comma, inverted comma, I want TDT, inverted comma, bracket over, I will press enter. You will see WED is coming. And if you want Wednesday in a full, then what you have to do? You have to just type 4 times D over here. Just enter. Yes friends, see Wednesday is also coming. Now we will see how we can extract a year. So again TEXT bracket. I will select the date. I will do just comma. I will do into another comma. I will type Y into inverted comma over, close the bracket, press enter. Now if you want the full year, then what you have to do? Simple, you have to type 4 times Y. I will just press enter. See 2021 is coming over here. Now most important is how we can extract a month from a date. Let's start friends. I will just type TEXT, just bracket. I will select the date, again use comma, again into inverted comma. Now I will type MM, I will into inverted comma, close the bracket and will enter. So it will give you which month in a serial number from January to December. October is in the serial number 10, so 10 will come. But if you want the text format, I will type M one time more. So answer will come just like OCT. But if you want the full name of the month, you can type M over here. Then your answer will come in the full text. Now, friends, hope you have enjoyed the video. Just like and subscribe the channel if you feel the video is good. Now we move further. Let's see friends. Say for example you want month and a year, and what to do? Again is equal to the xt bracket. I will select the date. I will just use comma, into the date comma, and I will type YY, just into the date comma, close the bracket, press enter. See friends, the month and the year is coming. But some of my intelligent friends are also asking, sir, I want a space between month and a year. How to do? It's simple friends. Just do a space over here. Press enter. Yes sir. See friends. Now there is a space between month and a year. Hope friends you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.